Okay, guys, good morning, my fellow traders. Good morning to you wherever you are, and good afternoon to you also wherever you're watching from. But this is morning. This is 4:31 a.m. in my country time, and I really want to say something. Good morning. Okay, let me introduce myself first. My name is Legend FS Academy, as you all know. And if it's your first time of coming across my channel, you're also welcome. Returning subscribers also, you're also welcome. Thank you guys for the support. And what I really want to say is, like the name implies, I want to speak on the challenges swing traders are facing recently. A lot of challenges, a lot of ups and downs. Right from when Donald Trump was elected as the United States president, the dynamics of market has really changed, and a lot of swing traders are having difficulties in adapting to the new dynamics of the markets, and that has really made a lot of traders to blow so many accounts, and a lot of traders is switching from one strategy to another, moving from swing trading to day trading to scalping, thinking that the problem is in their strategy. But I'm doing this video to let you know that nothing is wrong with your strategy, just that the market changed. The dynamic of market always change. Market doesn't have one phase. We may be in the ranging phase for like 2 months or 3 months thereabout, and the other time we may be in the trending phase. The other time we may be in the choppy phase. That's just the market. So I know a lot of your mentor may not have been able to be telling you this, but I'm doing this now to tell you that nothing is wrong with your strategy. You just have to focus your strategy and keep on going, because I know that myself also as a swing trader, it has not been easy ever since last year. Coupled with what is going on in the market, you just see you'll be waiting for a setup, and boom, the setup will just leave you without giving you a proper confirmation. So it has not been really easy. To be honest, day trader scalpers can enjoy the market because what they are looking for is 5, 10, 20 pips, 50 pips at max. But I've done that in the previous time. I've done that. I've done scalping. I've done trading. It doesn't just align with my personality as a trader. I just love to see the bigger picture of the market. I love to catch swings in the market. But to be honest and to be frank with you, if you're a swing trader and you have devoted your time to be a swing trader, know that you will be facing a lot of ups and downs. Like when the market, let's say the market may just move. Like I will also show you on chart the USD chef that I was before I exited. The market may just move like 100 pips, and your target as a swing trader is maybe 300 to 400 pips. And you will be waiting for the market to hit your target, and the market will just pull back again. Maybe the market just come down and start pulling back. See yourself at your entry point again. The market will just play around for days, probably for a week. The one I closed, I held it for like 2 weeks thereabout, or 2 weeks, yes, 2 weeks plus. That was Euro USD chef, I mean to say. So it has not been really easy. So I'm just telling you that stay tuned to your strategy. The market phase will also change, and your strategy will start playing out. So just know that nothing is wrong with your strategy. One, if you're a swing trader, you have to stick to it. It will pay you in a long run. Don't switch from swing to day trader just because of the market condition, and because of what you are seeing on social media. A lot of day trader just flaunting their profit all over the social media in order for them to get new clients. Would I say clients or new mentees? In order for them to get new mentees to pay for their cost, to pay for their signal stuff and that. And a lot of them go as far to even align with all these brokerage firms to edit MT5, MT4 in order to show you the profit they are making, which is a fake profit, just to lure you into you paying for their courses, their signal, this thing, all those kind of stuff is going on, all those kind of shit is going on in the space. That is why I'm here to tell you that whatever strategy you have chosen, if you're a day trader, stick to it. If you're a swing trader, stick to it. The market condition will change and your strategy will start working out. So that is all I have to say. And let me just dive into a quick walk to trade I have on my phone here. As a swing trader, what I do is, that DSY control the market. And what I always do before I do my analysis for the week, sometimes I do it for a week, sometimes 2 weeks. I always check DSY. What is the direction of the DSY? First, when I came here last, that was early this month. I knew for the fact that this was DSY is down from our monthly standpoint. From daily, I was thinking that DSY will come here to touch the third trend of this trend line, then for us to bounce off. But for some reason, DSY is like it's failing somewhere here. For some reason, DSY is failing somewhere here. Oh my God, my. Okay, let me just refresh. I think I'm having some issue. Sorry, guys. I think I'm having some issue. Let me just refresh and okay, we are back. Let me quickly go back to my DSY and okay, right now we are back on DSY. So now I was thinking that DSY will come here, come back here to give me the third touch of this particular trend line. But for some reason DSY couldn't, it failed. And before that, DSY was just ranging here. And you know that DSY control the market just like Bitcoin controlled other coins. When Bitcoin is heading lower, other coins follow suit. When it's going up, other coins follow suit. Just like the same way it is for DSY. When DSY is coming down, best believe that GBP USD, Euro USD, AUD USD will be going up because they are inverse correlated. So that is what you have to know first. So as a swing trader, what I have to do is to do my top-down analysis from DSY to know what DSY hold for me. I don't really trade the DSY, but I use USD as a DSY because whatever DSY does, USD chef follows. So that is why I trade USD chef. I don't trade DSY, but I use the DSY to know the direction of what the market is saying. So now I've gotten this particular scenario here that DSY is currently, even when people were saying that DSY is ready to go up, I was bent in that DSY will still continue down because I knew that for a fact if DSY didn't turn from here, I knew that there was the third touch of this trend line always does the trigger. So I was waiting for this third touch, but that didn't happen. Yet DSY came here and shy off this third touch and it started bleeding. That is fine. So what are we hoping for? We are hoping for DSY to close below here. If DSY can close below here with this daily candle here, we are having 19 hours, 21 minutes, 32 seconds remaining for this particular zone to for this particular DSY to close. If DSY could close below here significantly, that means our next target will be here. And if I've gotten this idea from DSY, what I have to do next is head over to my you can see I trade only few pairs because as a swing trader, there's no need you having 20 bunch of 20 bunch of pairs in your wallet because most of them are same correlated. I'm also doing this to educate you, the new traders, the newbies who are coming into the forex space, and you feel that swing trading is also good for you, you feel that swing trading has aligned with your personality, please just choose fewer pair. Why? Because most of all these pair are same correlated. You don't want to be trading USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, all of them. Most of the time, they are all going in the same way. So you don't want to be putting your, let's say you are risking 1% here, you are risking 1% here, which means you are going in the same way. And sometimes one may delay. So it's better you just use that 1%, enter maybe GBP USD and focus on GBP USD. You wait for more swing to go long. If there's any pullback, you go long again or you go short. So that is why I've picked out of these are the pairs like GBP USD, USD CHF, AUD USD, Euro AUD, and gold and S&P 500 and WTI crude oil. Those are the one I'm keeping on my watch list. I don't really trade all of them at a time. Why I kept them here is that I watch their movement over time. Before I will take an instrument and trade, I will put it on my watch list and keep on watching how this market is reacting over the past month. I will be watching it because one thing is for you to know how your child behave at home. When you're able to know if you give birth to a child, as the child is coming up, you'll be able to know how the child behaves, what he likes and what he don't like. So you can be able to align with his own personality. So that is why I always keep all these pairs here. If not, GBP USD and USD chef is enough for me. But sometimes why I keep this thing because most of the any pair you see on my watch list, they are mostly inverse correlated. So I don't trade any pair that is correlated with each other. I trade inverse. This guy, GBP USD and USD chef, they are inverse correlated. They are not same correlated pair. So and AUD USD, sometime he may follow, sometime he will just do his own. And Euro AUD, I love this guy because whenever he wants to move, he move a significant move. So enough of this. Let me just dive into GBP USD and show you what I have. So since we've been able to see that DSY is now heading lower, and what we have now is GBP USD, which is my favorite. But for some reason, I've not been able to get any good entry, so I let GBP USD be. I just take it off of my hand. I'm not trading GBP USD for over 1 month now. I've not gotten any good entry now because for days this market has been ranging. Let's say for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say for 1 month now, this market has been in this particular range now because we have 5 candles for a week. So this particular GBP USD has been in this particular phase here, which I know a lot of traders has blown so many accounts here where they are trying to buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. A lot of accounts is gone here. So now patiently, I am waiting patiently because I know for a fact that okay, if DSY started going down, we may have a shoot up here. And if we have a shoot up here, we may also have a will I say is a minor resistance zone here because this market came here, bleed down, came here. This was a neckline of this particular double top here. When the market broke down, it came back for a retest, he retested and it shoot down. So why I kept this because I was also keeping my eyes on it to see what this guy will hold. If this guy can successfully break and close, because he attempted it, he failed. He attempted it here, he failed. So the third time, this guy has broken and we are still waiting for this particular daily candle to close. If this particular daily candle close and retest successfully, this is the next target here. There is nothing holding GBP USD not to rally. This is the next target here in line with DSY, with the target I'm also having with DSY. So this is what I have on GBP USD. Currently, there is no entry for me for the week. I've not even seen any good entry on S&P 500. It took out my first position, but it took out my second position, but my first position is still running. I will also show you that. But on GBP USD, nothing for now. And you can see what I have on USD chef. USD chef, I call this move all the way from here. If you watch my analysis on USD chef, I caught all this move. I did it on my YouTube channel, and I caught all this move all to the here. And I enter second position somewhere here too. And for some reason, this market also came here range for like 1 month. I was exhausted and I couldn't hold again. I closed some of my position, and the last position was about maybe I closed it about maybe 0.5% of my account. I closed it here because I've been holding this trade for like 2 months. This first one here, I've been holding it for like 2 months now, thereabout. So I was just exhausted, and I was just tired of holding it. I was just tired because all this ranging here was just pissing me off. The market will come down here, shoot up, come down. You can say this is daily. That is why you are seeing everything is just compiled. If you come to 4 hours, it's just messed. You can see all the way from here I enter somewhere here and the break of my counter trend line. My stop loss was here. This is my second position. First position was somewhere here, and second position was somewhere here. So the market was just come down, go up, come down, go up, come down. This was just messy, man. And my overall target is this particular zone here. This is my second TP, and my third TP is somewhere here. And this will not determine if DSY will continue shooting down before this third TP will reach. But I'm very sure that this second TP will hit if we successfully close, and if you say break and close below this particular zone here. Until this guy close below here, I'm not betting that this guy will close because he has done it before. He shoot up again. So until it close, I'm not betting on it yet. Daily candle must close. So if you watch the video I did, is also on my channel. You can go and watch when I called it all the way from here. That's why I said I called the move, and from here I exited. I exited this one. I exited the second one too. At least about 0.5% of my account somewhere here too, because I was so exhausted. I was tired of holding it. But that's what I have on the USD And let me quickly head over to AUD USD. I have nothing with AUD USD because this guy is just confused at the moment. No significant higher high, no significant lower low, lower high. nothing at the moment. So I just bust it. I put my high here, my low here. I just leave it there. And whenever you are ready, come and tell me that you are ready. But for now, I'm not trading USD because it's not even giving me any significant uh, anything to trade there. Because normally when GBP USD is heading up, AUD USD follows, Euro USD follows. But for this recent uh, market condition, GBP USD is heading up, Euro is heading up, AUD USD is just doing otherwise. So I just say that this guy is not ready for now. I just leave it. And this guy also, I caught the move, but it was not much like that. It was not much. It was clear more on the on daily, on 4 hour or 1 hour. This was when I caught it from here, and I couldn't do because all this thing I couldn't do a video because it's not like it's not my normal way of trading. That's why I didn't do a weekly analysis this particular week because the market condition was just pissing me off. And so that's what I have for you guys. And you can also see on gold. Gold, I've not been able to catch any trade on gold because I was waiting for a significant pullback. But for some reason, for the conflict that is happening all over the world, gold is a safe haven. Although this one I didn't enter. I waited for the 4 hour candle close. But when this candle close was in the midnight, so I didn't enter it because it was out of the trading zone, out of the trading zone. So I didn't enter. So gold, I was waiting for gold to give me a significant pullback. You can see that from whenever gold break out, it doesn't come back for a proper retest. It shoot up. If break out again, it doesn't come back for a proper retest. It shoot up. If break out again, it doesn't come back for a proper retest. It shoot up again. So it broke out again. Will it come back for a proper retest? Yes or no? So that is why I say you have to keep all those things, or any pair you like, any pair you love to, you have to keep it on your watch list. Watch it for like 1 month, 2 months. Know how the market is reacting. I've been able to establish that in the recent market condition, gold is breaking out without a proper retest. And once it break out on 4 hour, best believe that on 1 hour will just give you a little pullback and gold will shoot up. So if I want to trade this gold now with in line with what I've been seeing on gold doing since over how many months now, over like how many months, 2 months now. So now I can comfortably take a trade on gold depending on the way market condition will change. So that is what I have on gold. I don't want to waste much time. And S&P 500, I caught the move. The first one was somewhere here, and I enter somewhere here with this counter trend break here. Somewhere here, I did enter somewhere here. Somewhere here was my second position. You can see that it came here. I entered because of this particular. When I saw this particular candle, let me zoom out for you to see. Let me zoom out. This particular candle was more of like an evening star to me, an evening star to me. So on seeing this particular two bullish candle, I saw this doji indecision, and I saw a close here, and this was what led to my entry here. The moment this candle closed here, this was when I entered, and for some technical reason, it bleed down, but it couldn't just continue, and it shied away and came and took out my second position here. First position was still there, so he came and took out my second position. Yeah, I didn't feel bad. I just know that this is one of the things we face. But this first position, it has reached my 100% retracement level, which is somewhere here. So have closed half of the position. So I was waiting for this particular zone here, this particular second TP here to reach. So if it will get there, fine. And if it will not, I'm just waiting for this daily candle. If this daily candle close as an indecision or as a hammer, eh, I will close this trade. I will not wait for this particular zone here. But if this trade can close, if this candle can close and come back and close above here, that will just send a signal to me that this market don't wants to head lower again. If this candle closes as doji or as an hammer, so it will send a signal to me. So I will have to close the second position. So that is what I have on you. That is what I have for now. WTI oil, I've not been able to get any good entry there. So guys, that is what I have. I'm just being hopeful that the market phase will also get in line and favor swing traders, because I'm hoping, because the swing trader can only make money from the market when the market is trending, and when the market is in a ranging phase, swing trader don't make money. And those ones that are trying to buy and sell, they intend to lose more money. You can only make money when the market is trending as a swing trader, and that is the downside of it. That is the bad side of being a swing trader. But the good side of being a swing trader is that when the market starts trending, you know what you want, you know what you are seeing. You can capitalize on the move of the market and you make a lot of money. And that is why swing trader is the best for anyone. So that is what I have for you guys. As you all know, I still remain your boy, the Legend FS. And until I see you in my next video, still no place. If you like my video, you like the way I teach, you like the way I analyze the market, please give me a thumbs up. And if you don't also like it, also give me a dislike. I will also appreciate it. But please tell me in the comments box below what to do to improve in my next video. As you all know, no one is island, no one knows it all. We are all here to learn. You learn from me, I learn from you until we attain the level which I call the CPT, consistent profitable trader. Until then, keep it simple and keep it peeping, guys. Bye.